We will do a hyper-realistic eye with a liquid golden eyeshadow together. I want to take you with me in a process of drawing a realistic-looking eyeball. For this you would need wax-based pencils. Sharpening your pencils is really important. These are very soft and easy to break. With light gray followed by blue, I am smoothing out the edges around the iris. In most cases, that edge is not a hard line. Instead, it almost blurs into white areas around it. Time for the highlights. With the thin brush and white Posca, I'm creating that reflection and wetness in the eye. Note that with gold you don't have those deep shadows as you would, for instance, with matte eyeshadow. You would have that deeper shade at skin fold in the crease. When you look at the reference picture, you will notice that highlights are not all pure white but bright yellow. So with bright yellow Posca and thin brush, I'm placing the dots and lines. With the shade that's slightly darker than the shadow in gold, I'm intensifying the line at the skin fold and skin texture in the shadow. Sketching the eyelashes first using black pencil. The difference between the eyelashes we learned in previous lessons was that they were more illustration-like. We learned to draw them with certain precision, thickness and symmetrical. For this example, we are going for the most realistic effect. That means that some lashes come together in bundles. Mascara or wetness on the eyelashes can create that effect. Make sure they curve and don't go straight up. Look at your reference picture to see how they should curve under the waterline. The bottom lashes, because of the angle, we see only curve, the part of it. For the brow, first sketch out the shape and background for the hairs with cool brown eyeshadow. The hairs in reference picture are light, so we need to keep it subtle. So the eye is finished. The biggest takeaway from this lesson for you should be the mimicking of the golden texture how you can use color chart to match the colors. What you need to become good at realism is actually patience and willing to achieve that. The most important for you to take away from these lessons is how to achieve mimicking metallic liquid eyeshadows and how to recreate and color match the textures.